Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install Node.js on Windows, Linux, Mac, all operating systems, all devices. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So the very first thing you want to do, open up your Google tab and you want to go to nodejs.org/en/download. And then you guys are going to see on their website a bunch of different options for Windows, Mac, Linux, and AIX. So you can select whichever ones you guys want to go ahead and use. Now, as you can see, you could choose the different ways you're using Node.js. So you can select the version, the operating system, if you're using Docker, what specific way you're going to be running it. And then if you want to be using npm, yarn, or pnpm. Now, I would just recommend, if you don't know what you're doing here with this little PowerShell command and all this stuff, to go ahead and just download the installer. You could obviously copy this to your clipboard, open up your terminal, and then go ahead and paste these commands in. Obviously, if we click paste in, it's going to go ahead and install all of this stuff right here. And obviously, I already have installed, so this whole thing is just going to go through. Now, if you're using the exe way, this is the same setup. So if we switch this to like Linux or something, if we switch this down here to like Linux, it's going to give you the Linux download. If we switch it to macOS, it's going to give you the macOS download. So let's go ahead and go through the startup. So we just click next, accept the license, click next, and then as you can see, install all of this. Next, automatically install necessary tools. Note this will also install Chocolatey, the script, blah blah blah. Click next, and then click install. So go ahead, click yes, and then again, this is going to be the easiest way to install if you're like a beginner when it comes to stuff. You're not really good at running stuff in terminal and commands and stuff like that. I would just do this setup because it's the most easy, most basic thing to set up. So boom, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up with the setup wizard, and then after that, we should be good to go. All right, it's installed, and as you guys can see, it's gonna pop up with this little installation script. This script will install Python and Visual Code Studio build tools necessary to compile, and then just click any key to continue. It's gonna give you a little bit more information. I'm just gonna continue, and then it's gonna start going and installing the rest of the applications. So yeah. Anyways, guys, if this video helped you out at all, please make sure to leave a like. As you can see, it's installing the rest of this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.